4 months into COVID. Shelly Sargent is her name. She's the owner of Snatched Me. Want to get us in a problems is mine? We're not gonna do that. She's here. Ladies, this one is for you. And gentlemen, for you ladies too, because you know, you can help them out if they want help in this particular area. She's showcasing her shapewear collection and other products, and we're going to talk about how these products have been empowering women by enhancing their confidence. It is so true that your garment can make you feel like $1 million.
Absolutely.
Hello, Shelly. Good morning.
Good morning.
Hi, ladies. Shelly, who we have here?
So we have Rudy, we have Shantia, and we have Jalicia.
Nice to meet you, ladies. Welcome to the show.
Thank you for having us.
So shapewear is really catching on these days. I mean, it's long been a thing, but I think a lot more women are finding about it and willing to try it. How did you get into shapewear?
So we started Snatch Me approximately 4 years ago, right in the middle of COVID-19. I got laid off due to the pandemic. I decided to take the leap of faith, started the business. If it wasn't for God, I would not be here. So let me just first clarify that.
I'll get an amen.
So after doing it, there was really, women weren't able to source these products and they weren't really accessible. And
Amazon,
exactly.
Wait, and yeah.
Absolutely. So after 1 year and 4 months operating solely online based, we got our first location right in the middle of COVID-19 when thousands of businesses were closing their doors. Snatch Me is opening a location. So we opened our first location in Montego Bay. And then here we are, 4 years later, we open another location right here in Kingston. Yes.
So you're based in Mobay?
So we are in Mobay and in Kingston. We opened our second location just 2 weeks ago in Kingston.
Why was it shapewear that you decided that was going to be the business for you?
All right. Very good question. Funny thing, like I said, a lot of women, this is a safer alternative because a lot of persons, with the surgery, a lot of persons not able to afford the surgery. And we are providing garments that are ultimately safe, safer results. It's very effective. And like you may mention, there's a history with shapewear. So this is now actually the evolution of shapewear. Here at Snatch Me, we have different styles. We cater for everyone from extra small goes all the way up to 6XL. You can find something with us.
And so comfortable.
Absolutely.
Like, sometimes you put on some things that you want to drop out of it, but these, it's almost like you don't know you're wearing it.
That's the goal behind it. So there's a lot of misconception with shapewear. A lot of people think that shapewear is uncomfortable. A lot of people think that shapewear is indeed doesn't work. But yes, to those questions, shapewear can be uncomfortable if you are not wearing the correct size. Let's say looking at you, I can actually tell that you are a extra small. So if you are not wearing your correct size, you'll find that the shapewear is not going to be working. So, and again, if you are small or if you're a large and you are wearing a small, not because it fit, it's going to be uncomfortable. So that's where you'll find the misconception of shapewear.
Yeah, and it's becoming so cool that people are just wearing the shapewear as tops. You put on a jean.
Exactly.
First of all, well, you're going to show us with these ladies who are here.
And this, for example, not to cut it, this, for example, is an actually shapewear.
Yeah.
Because our collection, you're getting money's worth. All right, not only are you getting an undergarment, you are getting something that you can wear outerwear as is.
So your top is really shapewear.
It's actually a shapewear.
So you buy, when you buy one piece of shapewear, you're buying 3 different pieces of clothes. Is
right?
What Shelly is saying. So it's a good investment.
Yes, it is, absolutely.
So let's talk about, so I've tried one like what, remind me of your name? Rudy is wearing under a garment, right? And you see it online and you don't believe it's true. Like literally I put on my jeans. My jeans have space into there.
Exactly. Look at this. Like the girls were asking me, where's my belt? It's because of the shapewear. You know, you're gonna need a belt when you're wearing our shapewear.
Let's talk about the piece Rudy has on.
All right, so Rudy is wearing our backless bodycon shaper. You know those bodycon dresses, it's summer. We tend to wear these bodycon dress. You don't want a shapewear that is gonna be visible. So this is something that you will opt for. It is absolutely seamless. As you can see, it's like a skin tone like.
Yeah.
It sucks to the skin like a stocking. It's very breathable. Comes with open restroom. So guess what? Another thing, if you wanna use the restroom, you don't have to remove the shaper. You actually can go into the restroom in the shaper because there's an opening at the back.
Yes.
Comes with butt lift as well. Great tummy compression. If you look at how snatched and defined her waist is.
Hello. Hello, Rudy. Okay. Very nice. And you put on a dress over that. You put on your jeans with that. You just feel like $1 million. It just smooths every curve. And
butt lift, tummy compression, everything. Open restroom access.
Okay. Beside Rudy,
All right, so we have our beautiful model here, Shan. Can you tell that she's wearing a shapewear?
No.
All right, show them, Shan.
Okay, Shan,
where is the shaper?
Shan, we believe you. Shan, we believe you.
Where is the shaper? So this is our side zipper shaper. Turn around, Shan. You notice that the zip is situated at the side. So if you have had C-section, it is C-section friendly because you'll find that the zip is situated at the side. So it's not going to be interfering with the incision, the legs. So a lot of plus side of the model, one of their concern is that the shaper rolls up. It doesn't roll up. Let me just show you.
No, it
so
stays
right
exactly
here,
where it
yes,
is.
it sticks right into place. All right, at the
Does
back.
it have that thing on the
silicone that allows it to stay right in place.
Okay.
Zipper at the side, which provide a discreet look. At the back, we have butt lift because we don't want to squish the butt. We want to ensure that, you know, you're...
Pow.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So BBL, literally the BBL from the shaper. And I forgot to mention the straps are removable. So if you are wearing certain type of dress, you will be able to wear it without the straps. Zip in the crotch for open restroom access.
Okay. And beside our next friend now, who is this now?
All right. So we have Jalecia.
Yes, Jalecia.
All right. Show them Jalecia. So this is our full body shaper, right? All right, so open crotch for restroom access. All right, butt lift, great tummy compression. All right, back support as well. So this is suitable if you are wearing, like, say, a jeans, a pants. As you can see, the dress that she wore with it is absolutely perfect.
Bodycon.
You notice her legs are smooth, so absolutely no cellulites. It's smooth out everything that you could possibly, you know, look and see.
You know, you make a good point with this one, Shell, the tummy compression.
Yeah.
Because there's a lot of shapewear that's posing as shapewear that's not shapewear because it does not hold the tummy. What you have here is doing that.
Exactly.
And the joy of what you also have here is the versatility. You have colors.
Yes.
Right? You have, see these guys? Let me take them off and show
That's our compression long sleeve bra. So if you have the fat in the area, like the underarm fat, you can put that one and you can, you know, compress the underarm and...
Hold on, ma'am. Let me show some more of these before we go over to the table.
Okay.
Don't turn your back to push your back on the other side. All right. So this is like
that's our waist trainer.
Oh.
Yes.
It looks like it can also be like a bustier. Top, don't it?
Well, it could be.
I love it. So that's missing people into it.
And then we have our strapless bra as well. We have our back fat bra, which of course I have to show you. So if you have back fat rolls, this bra will actually conceal the back fat, hide the bulge, hide the rolls for you. So we have a wide selection, and this is actually a shapewear swimwear. Have you ever heard of that before?
Never before. This. Okay. Guess who needs to find himself down to Premier? Get over here now. Come over now, Shell, and come on this side for me. And tell me what we have here now. All
right, so here we have our apple cider keto weight loss gummies. All right, so this is a 1 month supply. 60 comes in the bottle. You take 2 daily for 30 days until finish. And then we have our detox tea. So not only does this tea aid with weight loss, you'll find that sometimes after we eating, you know, the processed food, we need to cleanse our body. So it's good every now and then to get a cleanse. And this is exactly what the tea does. This is our slimming wrap. So, you know, you're going to the gym, you can use this along with our lipogel, and we also do skincare products as well.
You're going with a bag of things, me.
Yes.
Okay, so tell us, don't cover your foot. Where are you in shop? Where in Mobay?
All right, so we are located in Montego Bay at shop 10, 10 Church Street, shop 10 Montego Bay, and in Kingston we are located at 52 Premier Plaza, shop 52 Premier Plaza.
You obviously stepped into your proper calling. I am glad you got laid off. No, I'm not saying I'm glad, but sometimes,
I'm glad too.
Sometimes God works His plan in a
mysterious way,
and this is where you were to be. So when I say that, I'm saying it happened to you and it wasn't good, but you have walked into what you were supposed to walk into. So God bless you.
Thank you for having us.
Guys, go check them out. I'm going.
Yes.
I am going to I don't talk. I'm going to be there. Shelly, you're going to see me soon. If you want to snatch yourself, ladies, you owe it to yourselves to feel good. And if this is the way, then do it. And it's much cheaper than a BBL. You want to get BBL, no, do it. Thank you very much, models. You're beautiful. Owner of Snatched Me, Shelly Sargent. After the break, Caymanas Park, 65 years they're celebrating. We're back with more on that after this.